Artificial intelligence isn't a distant promise, it's already transforming industries. Yet despite the headlines and hype, we're still in the early innings of this technological revolution. Right now, less than 7% of businesses are using AI on a regular basis, leaving a vast runway for adoption and growth. According to PwC, AI is projected to inject a staggering $15.7 trillion into the global economy by 2030, a figure larger than the entire GDP of China. For investors, this represents one of the greatest wealth creation opportunities of our time. If you've got $3,000 to invest and are thinking long-term, there are 3 AI stocks that stand out as potential game changers. One dominates the AI chip market, another is reshaping the future of cloud computing, and the third, while lesser known, is the hidden powerhouse enabling the entire AI ecosystem. Stick around, stock number 3 might just be the best AI value play on the market today. Nvidia, NVDA, the king of AI chips. Nvidia is the undisputed leader in AI hardware, commanding an estimated 70% to 95% market share in AI accelerators. As large tech firms prepare to spend over $2 trillion building AI data centers, Nvidia is at the heart of the infrastructure powering this expansion. In its most recent quarter, Nvidia's data center revenue soared by 95% year over year to an incredible $35.6 billion. And with the launch of its new Blackwell AI processors, demand has already exploded, with $11 billion in early sales. Despite its meteoric rise, Nvidia's stock has recently pulled back, creating a potential entry point for long-term investors. Its forward PE ratio stands at just 26, making it more reasonably valued than many would expect for a company driving the AI revolution. What sets Nvidia apart is not just its dominance in hardware, but also its cutting-edge software platform, CUDA, which has become indispensable for AI developers. This creates a software lock-in effect, making it extremely difficult for competitors to take market share. It also maintains deep partnerships with tech giants like Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon, a pipeline of continuous demand. That said, Nvidia is not without risks. The stock is already richly valued. Competition from AMD is growing, and its fortunes are closely tied to AI infrastructure spending, which can be cyclical. Still, Nvidia is also expanding into future-facing sectors like robotics, autonomous vehicles, and the metaverse, all of which could unlock new growth. Simply put, Nvidia is a cornerstone stock for anyone betting on the AI future. Microsoft, MSFT, the AI cloud titan. Microsoft has emerged as a force in AI through its multi-billion-dollar investment in OpenAI and the integration of AI across its product ecosystem. From Microsoft 365 and Azure to Bing and enterprise software. But perhaps the most transformative piece of the puzzle is Microsoft Azure, its cloud computing platform, which is rapidly gaining ground. Azure currently holds 21% of the cloud market, closing in on Amazon's 30% share. Microsoft is also investing heavily in its AI infrastructure, with $80 billion earmarked for new data centers. As AI pushes global cloud revenue toward a projected $2 trillion by 2030, Microsoft's position becomes even more formidable. What makes Microsoft such a compelling long-term investment is its ability to combine cutting-edge AI innovation with a massive, established enterprise user base. Its partnership with OpenAI gives it early access to next-gen models, and its broad software ecosystem allows it to deploy AI at scale, across productivity, cybersecurity, and even gaming. Risks do exist. Microsoft's valuation is high, and regulators are increasingly scrutinizing its AI ambitions and acquisitions. Meanwhile, competition from Amazon and Google Cloud remains fierce. But with AI woven deeply into its business model, Microsoft offers one of the most balanced and diversified ways to invest in the AI revolution. A lesser-known edge for Microsoft? It's quietly reshaping the gaming industry through AI-powered development, cloud gaming, and real-time translations. It's also becoming a leader in AI cybersecurity, addressing the rising threat of sophisticated AI-driven attacks, potentially a massive revenue stream in the years ahead. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSMC, the silent powerhouse behind AI. You may not hear about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, as often as Nvidia or Microsoft, but without it, the AI revolution would grind to a halt. TSMC produces over 90% of the world's most advanced AI chips, manufacturing for clients like Nvidia, Apple, and AMD. In its latest quarter, TSMC posted a 37% increase in revenue and a 57% rise in earnings, with AI-related business booming. The company expects its AI revenue to double in 2025, driven by unprecedented demand. To meet this surge, TSMC is investing $100 billion over the next 4 years, much of it going toward expanding U.S. manufacturing facilities and reducing geopolitical risk. TSMC is the backbone of the AI supply chain, and with its cutting-edge process nodes, including 3 nanometers and 2 nanometers technology, it's staying ahead of global competitors. Virtually every major AI player depends on TSMC's innovation and precision. Of course, TSMC isn't without risk. Geopolitical tensions between China and Taiwan create uncertainty, and the semiconductor business is inherently cyclical with massive capital expenditures. However, for investors seeking pure-play exposure to the AI manufacturing boom, TSMC is a strong long-term bet, and one that remains relatively undervalued compared to other AI giants. As its clients grow, so does TSMC. If AI continues on its current trajectory, these companies could become the next generation of blue-chip giants. The question is, are you ready to invest in the future today?